and welcome to another episode of Learning How to Automate with Zenfi in under 3 minutes. Today we're going to be going over how you can easily convert a Google Sheet spreadsheet into a PDF document and send it via email. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step to any Zenfi flow is to set up your trigger. The trigger is what's going to start your flow. For this example, we're using the Google Drive trigger, which is going to start the flow whenever a file is added to a specific folder. So all you have to do is choose a connection from the drop-down menu, or if you haven't created one yet, you have to click on the plus icon to create a new connection, which can be private or shared. After you authorize, you're going to be able to click on the Google Drive icon here to select the folder that you wish to monitor. Then we're going to go ahead and add our first action or step. This is called Export to PDF. It's going to allow us to export the spreadsheet in PDF format. After you select your connection from the drop-down menu, we have to indicate the file ID. Since we want to choose the file that has been added to the folder, we're going to click on the chain icon here to be able to choose from a previous step, meaning our trigger. We're going to select the ID here. And then in Output Folder ID, we want to indicate where we want to save the PDF. So click on the Google Drive icon to be able to select the folder where you wish to store it. You're also able to choose an output file name. In this case, I've chosen the exact same file name as the original document, but adding PDF at the end. You can choose the file name here. And then what's great about this action is it has different fields that you can also choose from. For example, grid lines, fit to width. So you can choose from the different options if you wish to add any of these parameters. For example, showing nodes, scaling, having vertical alignment, etc. And then we're going to want to send it via email. So we're going to use the send email action. This one uses Gmail. You have to set up your connection to your Gmail, indicate who's going to be the assignee. You can edit the display name, the subject, and the body. And then down at the bottom, make sure in the attachments, you click on the token picker and you add the PDF document that we generated. And that'll be everything. Let's go ahead and do an example. We're going to save, test run, select a file to start. We're going to be using this Google Sheet as an example. So we're going to select it, click on start. And here we can see that it's gone through all of the different steps. And then here we have it in the email. As we can see, it removed the grid lines. And we can see the exact same Google Sheet except in PDF format. Thank you so much for watching.